Yeah, no, everything's good. They're not spraying anything. It's so cold up there all the time, no matter what. So they say. Now all of a sudden, this is happening everywhere. Huh? Almost looking like a halo. Looks like we're gonna get a dog over here, and we're gonna get a dog. Let me see if I can see it. It's gonna be over here somewhere. But yeah, let's do a quick run around. Yep. Yeah. Totally normal. So not that one, but that thick squiggly one was laid by that guy. There's other ones coming behind them. So they're all right when they get up to the edge of the mountains. Yosemite, they spray. Dump it on us. Yep. They laugh when people say they're dumping fuel. You're going to dump all your fuel and then you still got to go all the way across California. You're going to make it. Or even some of these, they say that people tell me they're dumping fuel, but I'll look on the radar and they say they're going to Hawaii. So they dump their fuel in California and then they can still make it to Hawaii, huh? Food for thought. And then this one, this is our favorite guy, the Southwest. It's way out there still and flying across Nevada, getting ready to cross our lines, coming from far away. Yep. And then the little one that just made that longer line right there, it's right there. But yeah, that one's the Southwest. Nothing to worry about.